guys, we're going to practice our beginning sounds. Beginning sounds are the very first sounds that you hear when you say a word. Let's try one. These are maracas. Maracas start with the sound that's right. Now, do you remember what letter makes the sound? Letter M. Very good. So I'm going to write letter M on my paper. M for maracas. And we have a drum. Drum starts with the D sound. Very good. And what letter makes the D sound? Did you say D? That's right, letter D. Here's our letter D for drum. Now, I have some more items, and we are going to sort them. We're either going to put them with the maracas if they start with or we're going to put them with the drum if they start with D. Okay, let's try one. Here is a dinosaur. Dinosaur starts with the D sound, just like the drum. So let's put that with the drum. Drum and dinosaur start with D. Let's try another. Here I have a man. Man starts with like maracas. You're right. Let's put the man with the maracas. Let's try another. What about these markers? What sound do you hear at the beginning of markers? Markers. Just like the man and the maracas. Let's try another. A dolphin. What sound do you hear at the beginning of dolphin? D. Like drum and dinosaur. Let's put our dolphin here. Oh, what about dishes? What sound do you hear at the beginning of dishes? Does it sound like or D at the beginning? D, like dolphin, dinosaur, and drum. You're right. Oh, what about this pretty diamond? Does it start with a or D? D, right. Diamond. Let's put that with the drum, the dinosaur, the dishes, and the dolphin. I don't know if you can see these, but these are little plastic monkeys. Where should I put the monkeys? Do they start with like maracas, man, and markers? Or with a D? That's right, they start with just like man and markers. Let's put our monkeys down here because they start with Here I have a picture of a dog. Dog, what sound do you hear at the beginning of dog? D, that's right. So should we put it with the sounds or the D sounds? Yes, with the D sounds, you're right. What about our moon? Moon. Should we put it with the or the D sound? Moon or dune? Moon for sure. You're right. What about this diamond? We did one diamond before already. Do you remember where we put it? With the diamond or the diamond? Yes, the diamond. Last one. Duck. Duck. What sound do you hear at the beginning of duck? Duh. Very good. So we shouldn't put it with the maracas. Those start with but we should put it with the drum. Drum and duck. Now let's say all the things that start with the letter sound. Can you help me name these? Like maracas, man, markers, moon, and monkeys. Good job. What about all the things that start with the D sound? Drum, duck, dog, diamond, and dinosaur. Okay, your turn to find some things around your house that start with the and the duh sound, and then sort them into two groups, okay?